Hello all. In my previous video, we had discussed about balancing of traverse. In that, we had seen the Bowditch's rule. Now in this video, I will be discussing the second rule for balancing of the traverse, and that is known as the transit rule. Now according to the transit rule, the correction to latitude of any side is given as total error in latitude multiplied by latitude of that side upon arithmetical sum of latitudes. Now this can also be expressed as correction to latitude of any side is CL is equal to total error in latitude is summation capital L. Latitude of that side can be expressed as capital L divided by arithmetical sum of latitudes. So arithmetical sum of latitudes can be denoted by LA. Okay. Also, correction to departure of any side is total error in departure multiplied by departure of that side upon arithmetical sum of departures. So the formula can be written like CD, that is correction to departure, is equal to total error in departure, that is summation D, multiplied by departure of that side, that is capital D, upon arithmetical sum of departure, that is DA. Okay, so based on this transit rule, let us solve one numerical to balance the given traverse. We will do the same numerical that we did in the previous video. Balance the given traverse ABCDA using transit rule. This is the same problem or the same example that we took in the previous video. Now here we have the correction to by the transit rule. CL is summation L into L upon LA. So by transit rule, correction to latitude is summation L into capital L upon LA, and CD is summation D into capital D upon DA. Okay, now here we need to find the error, the total error in latitude. Now total error in latitude, when we add up all these values, so the total error in latitude summation L, it came out to 0.66. Okay, this value came out to plus 0.66. And also the total error in departure, the value came out to, that is summation capital D, it comes out to minus 0.88. Okay, this value comes out to minus 0.88. Fine. Now, based on these values, we also need to calculate the summation, the arithmetical sum of latitudes. Okay, that is this LA. Now, LA is calculated depending on all these latitude values. But here we need not consider these minus sign. Okay, so that will be the arithmetical sum of all the latitude and arithmetical sum of all the departures. So LA value is given as this 218.5 plus 42.16 plus 209.49 plus 50.51. Here minus sign will not be considered for calculating LA. Okay, so the value of arithmetical sum of latitude, it comes out to 520.66. Similarly, we need to calculate this arithmetical sum of departure as well. So again we need not consider this minus sign over here. Okay, so that will be 86.8 plus 314.59 plus 48.36 plus 277.03. So this value, it comes out to 726.78. Fine. Now based on this, let us calculate the correction to latitude for each side. So first step is correction to latitude for each side. Now for side AB, this is side AB, the correction to latitude will be given by this formula. Now here summation L is given as 0.66, but here the error is plus, so correction will be minus. So this will be minus 0.66 multiplied by this capital L is latitude of side AB. So side AB latitude is given as 218.5. So this will be 218.5 divided by LA. LA is the arithmetical sum of all the latitudes that we calculated as 520.66. So this value is 520.66. So it comes out to minus 0.277. Okay, this thing you have to keep in mind, that if this summation capital L is 0.66 positive, so here it will be minus. If error is positive, correction will be negative. If error is negative, correction will be positive. Okay, now for side BC. For side BC, CL will be minus 0.66 into the latitude of BC. So latitude of BC is given as 42.16. This will be 42.16 upon 520.66. Okay, this value is common. Summation L and LA will be common for all values. Only this latitude will change for each side. Okay, so on calculating it comes out to 0.053, minus 0.053. Next for CD. For side CD, the correction to latitude is minus 0.66 into latitude of CD is given as 209.49. Now again here we need not consider the minus sign. Okay, no need of considering the minus sign. Divided by 520.66. This value is minus 0.266. Again for side DA. For side DA, the correction to latitude is minus 0.66 into latitude of DA is 50.51. This is the latitude of DA. Latitude of DA is 50.51. But no need of considering the minus sign. Divided by 520.66. So this value, it comes out to minus 0.064. Okay. Similarly, we need to find correction to departure for each side. Now correction to departure for each side. So for side AB, the correction to departure is given by this formula, summation capital D into capital D upon capital D A. So this summation D will be this value and DA will be this value. Only thing is departure will change for each side. These values we have to substitute. So for side AB, departure value is minus 86.8, but minus sign we need not consider. Okay, so here CD will be this. Here error is given as minus 0.88. So correction will be plus 0.88 into departure is 86.8. For AB, departure is 86.8. So this will be 86.8 upon, now arithmetical sum is given as 726.78. So this will be 726.78. It comes out to 0.105. Now for side BC, the correction to departure is 0.88 into departure of BC is given as 314.59 into 314.59 upon 726.78. Only thing is this departure will change for each side. So this value comes out to 0.381. Then for side CD, the correction to departure is 0.88 into departure of CD. What is departure of CD? Departure of CD is given as 48.36. So substituting 48.36 over here, divided by 726.78. This value is 0.059. And finally, for side DA, the value of correction to departure will be 0.88 into, now departure for DA is, this is departure for DA, it is given as 277.03. Don't consider the minus sign. So this will be 277.03 upon 726.78. It comes out to 0.335. Fine. So now all these values has been calculated. The correction for latitude and correction to departure for each side has been calculated. So simply copying all these values and putting it over here. This is correction for latitude and this is correction for departure. So I'll just copy all these values and paste it over here. So first is minus 0.277 for AB. For AB it is minus 0.277. For BC it is minus 0.053. For CD it is minus 0.266. And for DA it is minus 0.064. Similarly, for departure, these values just simply paste it over here. So I'll paste it. This is 0.105, this is 0.381, 0.059, and this value comes out to 0.335. Next, we have to calculate the corrected coordinates for latitude and departure. So the corrected coordinates will be, you just have to add these values, 218.5 minus 0.277. So it comes out to 218.223. Then 42.16 minus 0.053. So this is 42.107. Then minus 209.49 minus 0.266. So it is minus 209.756. Here you will have to consider this minus sign. Okay. Then minus 50.51 minus 0.064. This is minus 50.574. Similarly, add this to this, we will get the departure values, that is minus 86.695. Then this by adding this by this will be 314.971. Add this to this, so 48.419. Then add this to this, the value will be minus 276.695. Okay. Now, when we add up all these values, when we add up all the latitude values, okay, so here the value will come out to 0 for latitude, and here the departure sum will also come out to 0. Okay, so when latitude and departure summation comes out to 0, we can say the given traverse ABCDA has been balanced by using the transit rule. Okay.